A very good day to you, little ones. Today we are going to do revision of letters E, Z, X and S. Now just we learned. Before that, tell me how many letters are there in English alphabet? Yes, 26. Now tell me, which letter is this? Yes, this is letter Z. This is capital letter Z and this is small letter Z. Now, let us recap the words that begin with letter Z. Zebra, zigzag, zipper, zinnia, zoo and zucchini. Children, repeat with me. Zebra, zigzag, zipper, zinnia, zoo and zucchini. Very good. Which is the phonic sound of letter Z? Z. Very good, children. Now, let us take the next letter. Which letter is this? This is letter E. Phonic sound of letter E. E. This is capital letter E and this is small letter E. Now, let us recap the words. Egg, envelope, elf, elbow, engine and elephant. Children, repeat with me. Egg, envelope, elf, elbow, engine and elephant. Very good. Now, next letter. Which letter is this? This is letter X. Do you remember the phonic sound of letter X? X. This is capital letter X and this is small letter x. Now, let us recap the words of letter X. Fox, wax, ox, box and 6. Children, please notice. The letter sound we learn at the beginning of the word. But in these words of letter X, the letter X comes at the end of each word. That means the letter that we have learned for letter X either begin with letter X or its phonic sound X. You will understand the difference when we recap the words once again. Okay, recap the words. Fox, wax, ox, box and 6. Here we can see the letter X comes at the end of each word and the phonic sound X can be heard at the end of each word. Now, let us take the next letter. Which letter is this? This is letter S. Phonic sound of letter S. Very good, children. Now, this is capital letter S and this is small letter s. Let us recap the words that begin with letter S. Sun, sandcastle, socks, strawberry, sapota and saxophone. Children, repeat with me. Sun, sandcastle, socks, strawberry, sapota and saxophone. Here we can see all the words that comes at the beginning and the sound S can be heard at the beginning. Okay. Children, hope you understood the letters and its phonic sound. Now, let us do the worksheet. Dear parents, your support and guidance is very much important while your child does the worksheet. Read out the questions and ask them to do by themselves. Children, remember, you should do the revision worksheet by yourself. Shall we start? First question. Circle the letters that you have learned. That is letter E, Z, X and S. Okay. You have to circle that you have learned. Here also you have to circle, then complete. Next question, write the missing letters. First you have to say the name: fox, egg, zip, zinnia, socks, sun. Fox, you have to write X here. Egg, A. Zip, Z. Zinnia, Z. Socks, S. Sun, S. Next question, match the uppercase letters with lowercase. You have to match capital letters with small letter. Likewise, you have to complete. Next question, identify the letters and color with appropriate colors. You have to color letter S with yellow. Next, you have to color letter Z with orange. Letter X have to color with red. Letter E with blue. You have to finish. Okay. Next, match the following pictures with appropriate letter. First, you have to read out the names: envelope, box, zebra, strawberry, elf, 6, sandcastle. You have to match envelope with a sound, that means letter E. Then box, X, yes, zebra, Z. Now zebra with letter Z. Strawberry, letter S. Elf, A. Then 6, X. Sandcastle, S. Very good. Now let us do the next worksheet. First question, identify the letters, say the name and beginning sound, say 2 words that starts with the beginning sound of each letter. You have to say, first, which letter is this? Yes, letter S. Which letter is this? Letter E. Then next, letter X. Letter Z. You have to say the phonic sound and you have to say 2 words. Your mama will write here. Okay. Write lowercase letters of letter E, S, X and Z in the circle and color the picture. You have to write small letter E here. Then small letter S. Then small letter X, small letter Z. Then you have to color and finish this picture. Okay. Next question, write the missing letter of each picture. Okay. What is this? Wax. You have to write X here. X. Zeal, S, seal. Zucchini, letter Z. Then elephant, A. Now, draw the missing images. You have to look very carefully. You will find the differences between these pictures. First, very good children. First picture, there is a sun here. Here you have to draw picture of sun. Then next, picture number 2, there is an aeroplane here. You have to draw the first picture, an aeroplane. Then you have to look carefully. Here one flower. Okay. Next question, join the dots and color the picture. You have to join the dots, complete this picture, then you have to color. Children, practice at home daily. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.